Hello, my viewers. This is Peace of God Global Ministry, my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, a newcomer to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you for my viewers for their support, their comments, and subscription. We are growing, and God bless you as you are supporting me. In this video today, I'm going to expose to you and give you direction on how you can scatter your enemies. The simple recipe we are going to use. People experience fire attacks left and right. So you pray psalms, pray this, at times all to no avail. But there are simple recipe or remedy we are going to apply, and you see the enemies will start running away when they see you. This is Kuas sea salt. Kuas sea salt. This sea salt is very powerful. It's very, very powerful in the powers. It helps very well. You gather this sea salt in your hands like this, gather plenty of it, go and stand in front of your house and face the direction of the sun, the east, where the sun rises. You stand there and pray and say, God Almighty, as I throw this sea salt now to this direction of the east, every man, every woman fighting me, throwing arrows on me, as I throw this sea salt, I use it to blind you, I use it to bring you down. You throw this sea salt 2 times in that direction and keep it in your hands and pray. Every powers, unseen, seen or unseen, battling you, throwing arrows on you, you are using this to blind their eyes. After that prayer, you see, turn back to the west and do the same prayers again. Say, God Almighty, as I throw this in the west, I'm scattering every power of the evil forces, every powers of the enemy attacking me either openly or secretly, attacking me in any direction, in my businesses, in my finances, in my career, in my marriage, in whatever area they are fighting me. As I'm throwing this sea salt in this direction, every attack or arrows that are coming from this direction, I'm using this sea salt to bring you down. And after that, you turn to the south, and you see, pray again. God Almighty, I stand in this direction. I owe no man, I owe no woman. Remember, if you are keeping somebody in your mind, or you have done evil against somebody, if you are praying this prayer, it will go back to you. So that's why I'm saying that you must check yourself very well. Make sure that you are not sitting on somebody's glory. By the time you know that you have not done any of those things, then you do it and it will work for you. You speak in the west first, in east, west, south. You turn back and then speak in the same way. This arrow, any arrow coming to you from this direction, whether physical, spiritual, man or woman, anybody's name starts from A, ending in Z, that is working against your destiny when you know have not done anything to that person. You throw this sea salt in your hand to that direction 1, 2 times. Then you still turn back to the north and still speak the same thing. Every power, every attack, every foundation fighting me from this direction, as I throw this sea salt in this direction, I'm using the power of this sea salt to blind your eyes and bring you down. After speaking in this 4 direction, praying in this 4 direction, you stand in one place and use this sea salt and round yourself 3 times. You put the sea salt on the ground and use it to round yourself. You'll be at the middle and use the sea salt and round yourself. After rounding, you say, God Almighty, do this, give me security, guide me and guide me. You can take your family and do this. You can do it only you. Use it and round yourself. At the end of it, you then, after the prayers, you jump out. That's the end of it.